Good morning students. In our last video we discussed about factors, multiples, prime number, co-prime number and composite numbers. Today we will discuss about LCM and HCM. Now we are going to start with LCM. Least common multiple is the smallest multiple that is exactly divisible by every digit of a set of given numbers. We can say that LCM is the smallest number that is divisible by two or more given numbers without a remainder. Methods of finding LCM. There are two methods of finding LCM: prime factorization and short division method. First we will start with prime factorization. LCM by prime factorization of numbers. We have two numbers 24 and 72 and we have to find their LCM. For this, first of all, we will draw the tree of factors. Now I will tell how to make this tree. First write the number, then divide every number firstly with 2. If it is not divisible by 2, then divide it with 3. 24 is divisible by 2, so 24 divided by 2 we get 12. Then 12 is also divisible by 2. 12 divided by 2 we get 6. 6 divided by 2 we get 3. 3 is not divided by 2. It is only divided by itself. So we will not move further. Leave it here only. Then the next number is 72. 72 divided by 2 is equal to 36. 36 divided by 2, 18. 18 divided by 2, 9. 9 is not divisible by 2, so we will divide it by 3. When we divided it by 3, we got 3. Now 3 is only divisible by itself, so leave it here. Now, how to write the factors? First of all, write all these factors. 2 into 2 into 2. Write it here. Then the last one on this side into 3. So here we got 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and then by 3. For 72 also write all the numbers on this side. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and the last one on this side into 3. Now see, here we have 3 2's. Here also we have 3 2's. So circle all the common factors. These are same, so circle these. These are also same, circle these also. These are also same, then circle these also, and on both the sides we have 3, circle these also. Only this 3 is left, leave it here. Now how to write the factors of LCM? For all the circled one, we will write them only once. For these both 2's, we will write a single 2. Next one also for these both, a single 1. For these both also single 2. And both these 3's single 3. Now only this 3 was left, so write it here. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 24. So write 24 here. Here we had 3 multiplied by 3. 24, 3's are 72. So the LCM of 24 and 72 is 72.